Children, in this video, we are going to continue with exercise 4F with sum number 5. Alright, as I told you all, the first step will be to convert the fractions. Alright, I have done the conversion step here. In the rough column, with a pencil, write the word BODMAS. And now let us start solving. There is no brackets, so I am going to strike off the B from the BODMAS. Next is the operation with off. So underline the off part, the word off and the two fractions on either side of it. So 3 upon 11 off 11 upon 4. Let us take this in the rough column. Off should be replaced by multiply. I can reduce 11 and 11. So this comes to 3 upon 4. So now in place of the underlined part, I will put the answer 3 upon 4. So 11 upon 3 remains as it is, the first fraction, followed by the minus sign. In place of the underlined part, I'll put 3 upon 4, followed by the divide sign, 5 upon 4, multiply by 5 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3. Okay, so the off part is done. Let us strike the off. Next is division. Underline the division with the two fractions on either side. Take it in the rough column. Divide becomes multiply. Second fraction reciprocal. Reduce. You get the answer 3 upon 5. So the first fraction 11 upon 3 comes down. Minus sign comes down. Underlined part becomes 3 upon 5. Multiplied by 5 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3. Okay? Okay, so next we underline the multiplication part. So the multiplication sign with the two fractions on either side, that is this. So let us take it in the rough column. Multiply. Now here I'll make use of the 5 table. 5 ones are 5 ones are 3 ones and 3 ones. Now the answer is 1 upon 1. Let it be in the fraction form only because the sum has not come to an end. So now it will be 11 upon 3 minus 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon 3. Okay, so here children simultaneously please strike off. Division is done, multiplication is done. Now we have to do addition and subtraction. Now look here children carefully, this is the confusing part. Addition has to be done first followed by subtraction. Now can you see the subtraction sign here? The fraction which is carrying the subtraction sign is 1 upon 1. So I will just rewrite this part putting the addition first. 11 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3 because addition has to be done first. And this fraction which carries the subtraction sign, I'm going to put it last. Okay, so it is going to be 11 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 1. The reason is I want to do addition first followed by subtraction. So now you underline this part. This is the addition part. Take it in the rough column. Okay, you don't need to actually because they are like fractions. So directly you can add them. Alright, so last we stopped here. I put the addition first and the subtraction later. Now the addition has to be done from by using 11 upon 3 and 1 upon 3. So 11 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3 can be added directly because they are like fractions. And the answer comes to, okay, this part needs to be done in the rough column. So I will work it out here. These are like fractions, so I can add it directly. I get the answer 12 upon 3. Now if you want to reduce, you can reduce it. You can see that both these numbers come in the 3 tables. So you can say 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12 and reduce it there itself. So the answer after adding was 4 upon 1. So the underlined part became 4 upon 1. Now from 4 upon 1, now I need to do minus 1 upon 1. Now here also you can see children, they are like fractions having the same denominator. So directly in the rough column, you can do the subtraction. You will get the answer 3 upon 1. As I told you, any fraction having denominator 1 will just be a whole number, which is the numerator. So the answer is 3. Okay, now children, the question 6, I hope you all will be able to solve on your own. I'm not going to solve question 6. I'll just explain to you all question 7 here. In question 7, I have 1 divided by 4 upon 7 minus 1 upon 3 of 3/3/4 plus 1 upon 2 divided by 3. Okay. Now let us just try solving question number 7. First step, make everything into fractions. So 1 will become 1 upon 1 divided by 4 upon 7 minus 1 upon 3 of 15 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2 divided by 3 upon 1. Okay, we write the word BODMAS here. There is no bracket, so I'm going to strike off the bracket. Next is off. Take the off in the rough column. Once I solved it, I got the answer 5 upon 4. Leave it as it is and replace it over here. 1 upon 4, 1 upon 1 divided by 4 upon 7 minus, in place of the underlined part, I'll put 5 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2 divided by 3 upon 1. Okay, so the off part is also done. Now next is division. Now look here children, in this sum, there are 2 division operations. So I'm going to underline both the division operations and simultaneously I'm going to work them out in the rough column. So my first division operation is 1 upon 1 divided by 4 upon 7, which becomes 7 upon 4. This part when solved becomes 7 upon 4. Let me solve the other division part as well. Okay, that part becomes 1 upon 6. So this part became 7 upon 4. Let me put the minus 5 upon 4 which is there here. The plus sign comes down. Now this part is become 1 upon 6. So in place of the underlined part, I have put the answers that I have got. Rest of the expression remains as it is. The minus is come down, the 5 upon 4 is come down, the plus sign is come down. The underlined part is replaced by 1 upon 6. Here the underlined part is replaced by 7 upon 4. Now we are done with division. There is no multiply, so strike the multiply. Now there is addition and there is subtraction. Now here also we will have to put the addition first and then the subtraction. Now you can look here, 5 upon 4 is the fraction which is carrying the negative sign. So this has to be done last. So what I will do is I will put addition first. That is 7 upon 4 and 1 upon 6 will be put first because addition has to be done first. This subtraction part I am going to put last. Okay. Now what you will do is you will do the addition. They are unlike fractions. Find the LCM, add. You will get a certain answer. From that answer you subtract this fraction to get your final answer. Okay children, be very careful when there is this addition and subtraction. The addition has to always be put first and the subtraction has to be followed later. Now I will show you all how to solve question number 8. Okay, now this is a question where we have the operation with a bracket also. Alright, but first as I told you all, the conversion step, make sure everything is in fraction form. I will convert 1, 2 upon 3, 3 ones are 3 plus 2, 5 upon 3, multiply by 4 ones are 4 plus 1, 5 upon 4 minus 1 upon 3. So now everything is in the fraction form. with a pencil, write in your rough column board mass. And now let us begin with the operations here. So now here we have bracket. So we are going to solve bracket first. Let me underline the bracket part. This is the bracket part. Take it in the rough column. 2 upon 3 plus 4 upon 9. These are unlike fractions, so I will first find the LCM. Alright, LCM is come to 9. So make this fractions like 6 upon 9. First fraction became 6 upon 9. Second fraction remains as it is. So when I add the two fractions, I will get the answer 10 upon 9. So I found the LCM, I made them like and I added them and I got the answer 10 upon 9. So now in place of the underlined part, I will write 10 upon 9. So this part is solved. The off will come down as it is. The off will come down as it is. 3 upon 5 will come down. Divide by 5 upon 3 will come down. Next multiply by 5 upon 4 minus 1 upon 3. Okay, so B is solved. Now next we have to solve O for off. Strike the off. Underline the off part. Take this part in the rough column. Work it out. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. You got 2 upon 3. Now in place of the underlined part, you write 2 upon 3. Rest everything in the expression will remain as it is. Only the underlined part will be replaced by your answer. Right? The next thing, divide by 5 upon 3, multiply by 5 upon 4 minus 1 upon 3. Our next operation is divide. So underline the division sign and the two fractions on either side. That is this. Okay, take it in the rough column, solve it, put the answer back here. Then multiply followed by subtraction. You all continue this sum. I won't be solving it further because I feel you all have understood what is to be done. So from this step, you all carry on. Okay, now let's go to question number 9. Alright, as I told you all, your first step will be to make everything in the fraction form. So this will be written as 14 upon 15 divided by 7 upon 6 plus 7 upon 10 multiply by 3 upon 4. So first step is done. Next step, write board mass in the rough column with a pencil. So here we are going to begin with bracket first. But now children, you can see in the bracket also there are multiple operations. There is division and there is addition. So inside the bracket there are two operations. But you can follow the same rule of board mass for inside the bracket also. So if I have division and addition, what will I do first? As per the rule, it will be division first. Okay. Now don't strike off anything over here because we are still in the bracket only. Alright, this is just for us to understand that even in the bracket, if there are multiple operations, mentally you'll remember that it has to be done using the board mass rule only. So I will take up division first. Please don't strike off anything here children because it will lead to confusion. We are still inside the bracket. We have not moved to the next operation. So just do it mentally. So in this, the division part has to be done first. Replace the division sign by multiplication sign, reciprocal of this next fraction. Here 7 and 14 I can reduce. 6 and 15 using the 3 table. 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. And I've got the answer 4 upon 5. So now inside the bracket my first part is solved. The underlined part has become 4 upon 5. Plus sign remains as it is and comes down. 7 upon 10 also comes down. Children, please remember only the underlined part has to be replaced by the answer. This plus sign has to come down in the next step. Okay, be very careful about putting your signs. Now you have to add the two Okay, you can write the rest of the expression also. Multiply by 3 upon 4. So we are still in the bracket. Now in the bracket, we have to next solve addition part. Alright. So take this in the rough column. They are unlike fractions. Get the LCM first. Make them like. Okay, once you make them like and you add them, you get the answer 15 upon 10. If you want, you can reduce. Even if you don't reduce, it is fine. You can do it in the next step. But I would prefer to reduce the answer so that I get simpler numbers. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. So now the underlined part or the bracket is completely solved and I get the answer 3 upon 2. Okay, so here there is no need of putting the bracket because I have got my final solution of the bracket, which is 3 upon 2. Multiplied by, now don't forget this multiply sign, upon, multiplied by 3 upon 4. Alright, so bracket solution, bracket answer is 3 upon 2. The final answer, multiply comes down, 3 upon 4, 3 upon 4 comes down. So now there is no off, there is no division, there is directly we move to multiplication. Okay, I'm saying there's no division because what we have done was inside the bracket. We did not do any division outside the bracket. And I told you inside the bracket, whatever you all are doing, please don't strike it there. Just do that mentally because otherwise it will lead to a lot of confusions later on. So now since there is no division, next is multiply. Anything can be reduced? No. So the answer is 3 3s are 9 upon 2 4s are 8. Answer is improper. Convert it to a mixed number and you will get your answer. You can always do the division. So the answer is 1 upon 8. Okay children, my suggestion to you all is these are slightly lengthy sums. So as I told you all, please do one sum on a page. Another thing is I would recommend that you all solve the sums using a pencil because there is a probability that you all will make mistakes, you all will go wrong here and there. So make use of a pencil to solve the entire sum. Underlining also do with a pencil. Whatever rough work you all are doing in the rough column, do that also with a pencil. Alright? And do it systematically step by step. Use your entire page. Don't congest. Neatly do it. Take the underlined part in the rough column, solve it, put the answer back in the main expression. Write BODMAS on top, strike off as you solve each operation. Okay, thank you very much children. Try solving the sums up to question number 9. If there is any difficulty, please get back to me. Thank you. Have a nice day.